No permit. Misdemeanor, $500. And 6 months in jail. But I didn't see a gate. We go that way or this way? I think we go that way.
Dad knows the trail. I've already got lost.
I think I went that way last time and I did get lost. What's normalized? Are you telling me we're lost? Oh, that's pretty. Look at the light hitting this wall here. It's kind of reflecting. You guys look red. That's pretty cool with the sun coming in here. That doesn't happen too often, or for long, I should say. Don't jump up and down on that. Well, you're just knocking snow off, not rock.
Go in the other direction too.
Okay. That's pretty cool. It is a good shot with the... Check out that way. Did a dead end. That's pretty skinny.
That's fun.
That man's folly. Now that's a slot. Dead end?
No, not at all.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? So you got up on top?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, cool. What time is it?